Hey, Greg Ace here. How you doing? Woo! What's going on here, Miss Peaches? Stripping Miss Peaches down is quite the, what do they call it? Character building stuff. Some people would think we're crazy. But no, that's what we do. So someone's got to do it, don't they? Yeah, so let's talk about this area that I've been working on. Just to give you an idea, like I've been stripping stuff down to bare metal around the areas that are obvious, and there's going to be a lot of sections there cut away. This area here, you go, oh yeah, there's a bit of tin there, whatever. There is 6 or 7 individual pieces in there. Wherever you can, you try and replicate the factory, how they had it from the factory, and it's all part of the structure. So this needs to all be strong. You can't just go filling it with expander foam or something. So that's the thing, you see, all this work, which is 4 or 5 hours work to make all the individual pieces and weld it in, seam seal it so that it's sealed for life. That's you don't see any of it, so no one's going to appreciate this, but let's hope the owners appreciate it for doing it properly. So you know, as you can see, once we ground back a bit here, there's going to be more areas there, and on there you're going to yeah, we've just got to clean it up, rust treat it, fill the holes. So the outer skin's last. You hardly see any of the outer skin even, especially down the back there, because the base of the pop top covers all of this right up to here, so you only see a little bit of sheet metal welding there. So really, if your welds aren't, you know, we still weld things solidly, but even if there's a little bit of warpage there, because it's like rubbish support on these things, it doesn't matter because the pop top covers it, and it will last probably longer than what the factory ever did. So yeah, we've try not to move the camera too fast, Greg. So it's gone pretty well, I think. We're really hammering into it. Yeah, as you can tell, there's some sections that you need to tackle from the inside, and that's like this trim here that covers, well, this outer skin and this trim, that all gets done after you've repaired all the structure underneath here. So there's just so many layers to it to do it properly, but that's what the day entails. So we knew that's where most of the work would be, but look at the reward. The reward is a sunset. That's payment for a hard day's toil on the coal face, as they used to say. It ain't going to be much coal for much longer, I tell you. So there you go. That's another section there. You got to repair all the inner first. Lots of repairs to do. But and yeah, probably some of this outer skin might need to be cut away because it has been rusted from the inside. So even if you sandblasted that, it would still be an issue. So right, so that's a very short update for now. Been a long day. We're pumping the hours into this to get it done. We're going to continue on welding all the structure, lower structure first. The stuff you don't see is just as important. So that's going to be done first, and then the outer skin last, and then whoopie-doo. Good to go. All right. Ciao.